front plane, and then I will mirror you. So let's start with your right hand because that's your weaker hand. And with your right hand, go overhand like this, just in front of you, like we did for the chest high transition. And then just as a reminder, do a couple reps coming back behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, awesome. Left hand, in overhand also. And then from here, we'll do, again, those figure eights, just to remind ourselves. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left hand, try and do a figure eight, and bring it back in underneath your right hand. So you just go back behind while the right hand stays in front. Yeah, okay, you got it halfway. You got it halfway. So remember what you're doing is you're coming back into this bounce. So sometimes it helps to just have the bounce because then you know when it comes back, you're gonna bounce into it. And then we just tried the first takeout. Then there's the second takeout. Then there's overhead takeout, other overhead takeout.